Welcome to our roundup of the best portable car washer options. Whether you need powerful cleaning for your vehicle, outdoor gear, or home surfaces, we have selected top-rated cordless and electric washers that deliver strong water pressure, efficient battery performance, and smart design. We will break down each model's key specs like pressure output, motor type, battery capacity, accessories, and portability, helping you choose the perfect washer for your needs. Do not forget to check the description box below for the best deals. Let us dive in and find the ideal portable pressure washer for you. The first on the list is the Yofidra 200 bar brushless high-pressure washer. This model is built for users who want strong, consistent power in a portable cordless design. With its advanced brushless motor, it delivers up to 200 bar pressure, making it suitable for cleaning cars, patios, bikes, windows, fences, and more. The brushless build also increases motor life, reduces noise, and provides smoother operation. Paired with a dual battery system, the Yofidra washer offers extended working time, so you can finish large cleaning tasks without interruption. Its multi-nozzle setup includes high-pressure, fan spray, and foam modes, giving users flexible cleaning options for tough dirt, mud, and detailing work. Another standout feature is its lightweight build, which makes it easier to carry and operate with one hand. Overall, the Yofidra 200 bar is a powerful, efficient, and lightweight cordless washer that offers professional-level performance for car owners and homeowners who want fast, hassle-free cleaning. Next up is the Luhao Tool 4800 PSI electric pressure washer. This model is designed for heavy-duty cleaning tasks both at home and in workshops. Its high-efficiency copper motor delivers up to 4800 PSI output, giving it the ability to remove mud, oil stains, moss, road tar, and other stubborn debris. Paired with a high-flow water pump, it offers consistent, strong pressure ideal for washing large vehicles, concrete floors, outdoor furniture, and home exteriors. One of its biggest strengths is its sturdy construction. The body is built with reinforced materials that help the machine withstand long hours of work without overheating or losing pressure. It also includes multiple spray nozzles, allowing you to switch between high-pressure point jets and wide cleaning sprays depending on the task. Overall, the Luhao Tool 4800 PSI washer provides strong, reliable power for users who need industrial-level cleaning at home without investing in oversized commercial machines. Next is the GVFN 30,000 mAh wireless high-pressure washer. This cordless washer focuses on portability and long battery life, making it ideal for users who need freedom from cables and extension cords. With its large 30,000 mAh battery pack, it offers extended cleaning sessions, letting you wash multiple cars or large surfaces on a single charge. Its high-pressure motor provides strong output suitable for car washing, gardening, and general outdoor cleaning. One of its major advantages is its compact and lightweight design. It can easily fit into a car trunk, making it perfect for road trips, camping, and emergency cleaning. The washer also supports water intake from any source including lakes, buckets, or bottles, thanks to its built-in self-priming pump. This makes it an excellent option for people who need a washer that works anywhere. Overall, the GVFN cordless washer is perfect for travelers, car owners, and outdoor users who need lightweight portability paired with long-lasting battery performance. Next up is the Luhao Tool 5000 PSI electric pressure washer. This model upgrades performance even further with an impressive 5000 PSI pressure output, giving users the ability to handle the toughest cleaning challenges with ease. Whether you need to strip old paint, remove oil buildup, or deep clean engines and concrete, this washer is built to handle demanding jobs. Its advanced motor is engineered for high torque and steady pressure, ensuring consistent cleaning even during long work sessions. Multiple spray tips allow full control over water flow and cleaning patterns. The metal spray gun and reinforced high-pressure hose offer excellent durability, preventing wear and leaks even under strong water pressure. Portability is also well designed with large wheels, balanced weight distribution, and an easy grip handle. Overall, the Luhao Tool 5000 PSI is ideal for users who need maximum power and dependable performance for demanding home and workshop cleaning tasks. The last one on our list is the Lareth 60 bar wireless high-pressure washer. Designed for users who want a balance of strong power and full portability, this cordless washer delivers up to 60 bar pressure, making it strong enough for car washing, bike cleaning, gardening, and outdoor maintenance. Its upgraded motor ensures smooth, efficient operation without losing power over time. The rechargeable battery system provides generous working time, allowing you to complete full car washes without needing to recharge. The washer includes adjustable nozzles, a long wand, and a foam generator, giving you versatile cleaning options. Its lightweight frame makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver around the car or yard. Overall, the Lareth 60 bar washer is an excellent choice for users who want a truly portable, strong, and easy-to-use pressure washer for everyday cleaning. So, that is it for the best portable car washers you can get. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.